It's festival time again. Dust off your bandana outfit them and start waving the black, green and gold. Because from country to town, the excitement will explode with a month-long schedule of activities celebrating This is Jamaica, My Jamaica.
We're going to be having the national finals in some of our big competitions that every Jamaican looks forward to each year. We start on the 19th with the coronation of the Miss Jamaica Festival Queen competition. And this is where 13 parish contestants are going to be vying for the coveted crown of Miss Jamaica Festival Queen 2014. Following on the Sunday the 20th, we're going to be having the national finals in the big stage competition. Tuesday, July 22, we're going to be having the awards ceremony for the creative writing competition, where we'll be recognizing those persons who would have earned medals and trophies, etc. in the creative writing competition. This is followed on the 26th by the staging of the festival song finals. Last year, if you recall, we had a competition among existing songs. So this year we are back on track and we are having new entrants this year. And on the 27th, we will be having the National Gospel Song Finals, when we will be selecting from the top 10 the gospel song for this year. The Emancipendence celebration kicks off on July 31 with the staging of the Emancipation Jubilee down there in Seville at the Great House in St. Anne's Bay. We're also going to be having on the same night, right across the island, Emancipation Vigils in every town square, where everybody is invited to come out for song and praise and worship, and then with the blowing of their bang at midnight and the reading of a proclamation. We follow this on the following day, which is August 1. With the celebration of drums, where right across Jamaica we are going to be moving to the rhythm of our ancestors in all the parishes. And then we culminate that night at the Randy Williams Entertainment Center with the ever-popular family entertainment Mellow-Go-Round. And this year it promises to be better than ever. On the 2nd, we're encouraging all Jamaicans to make this a family day. This is when we encourage families to go out and enjoy themselves at all the various scenic locations right across our island, celebrating our culture, celebrating our heritage. And that night, speaking about heritage, on that same night we're going to be having at the Randy Williams Entertainment Center International Ska Festival. And you'll hear more about that shortly. And then on the 3rd, we have what we call the Dutchy Food Festival. Now, this is one that is going to be finger-licking. We're talking about all the local Jamaican cuisine. Talk about turn your hand, make fashion. This is where you need to come and see, where we're going to be having on show, particularly our young people, drawn from many of the institutions that are, responsible for the preparation of foods and so on. On the lawns of the Randy Williams Entertainment Center is going to be transformed into a huge restaurant. We're going to be having live cooking demonstration, Mr. Basket, you name it. And then on the 4th, World Reggae Dance Championship. This is one of the fastest growing and most popular of the events on the JCDC's calendar. So, and of course, August 6th, we bring the curtains down with the grand gala in the National Stadium. And this year it is going to be the gala of galas. All our events, I'm proud to say, are rated G. It's for the entire family. And in addition to the various activities that are going to be staged at the national level in Kingston, we are proud to say that right across the island, through our island-wide network of voluntary parish committees and our staff on the ground, we'll ensure that in every nook and cranny of Jamaica, there is somewhere to go, something to do, something to celebrate.
The Institute of Jamaica is also hosting a weekly discussion, Signature Conversations. It started last Sunday, but if you missed it, Signature Conversations continue on the 20th and a couple Sundays after. So enjoy your Sunday dinner and then head on down to the Institute to hear from Jamaica's cultural buffs on the journey of our country. This is Jamaica, My Jamaica, Festival 2014. For more on the schedule of activities, click on jcdc.gov.jm.